Hello all, today I would like to explain how to see the neural network. When I said neural network, in the sense which includes neurons and parameters and attributes from a model file. So generally I will tell you. So if you have a model file but you don't know how many parameters were used there, what kind of parameters, how many layers, how many neurons were used there in that model, you don't know. But you have a model file. So generally model file is enough to predict the things. But if you think beyond that, model file is nothing, whatever the model parameters are there, those, that is the main thing. So here I will show you how to check. So I have a model file, so I will show you how to see the neural network and all. So here just you type Netron software. So initially we need to download the Netron software. So you see, so initially you are getting here Netron app Electron. So if you scroll down here, there is a software. So this is the software, download for Windows version 4.4.2. I already installed that one, and so you can see here the software is Netron setup 4.4.2. So I already installed that. So just wait a minute, I will see here. So this is the Netron here. So I'm opening this Netron. After installing the software, you will get a shortcut here. Wait, it is opening. So you see, now I am opening this Netron software through the shortcut. So here open model is came. So just to go in my desktop, there is a model 1. So I saved the model 1 here. So just to open that model 1. So now you see, this is the input file. Here's the convolution 2D file. File in the sense the convolution 2D layer. So that this is the activation function with respect to the con 2D, and there is a batch normalization and max pooling. So here where I use a dropout, also again one more conv 2D and batch normalization, all these things. So if you go through that, you will get the entire flowchart, whatever I used there, everything. And after that you can see the view in other way also, show horizontal. If you click like this, so you can get the flowchart in a horizontal way. So whatever the model used here, so this is the input shares like 96 into 96 into, this is over 96 into 96 is the input dimension, 3 is a 3 dimension color RGB layer. So like that it has written everything here. If you go through that, you will come to know like what parameters and attributes used in here in this flowchart, in this model particular. And if you go through the properties, in this properties, if I clicked here the con 2D, where I mouse, when I clicked here, so you can see all the attributes here. You see kernel initializer, what is kernel size 3x3, padding same, and strides 1 by 1 they use. So you see here activation function, what is the activation function here, and you see here batch normalization. In that batch normalization, gamma initializer, momentum value, everything it has mentioned here. So just to go through it, you can explore this. So based on this, you can come to know the neural network, your own neural network, whatever you build that, so in a flowchart. So it would be very helpful to you to make an optimal model. So I hope this is very helpful to you. Thank you. Please like my channel and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you all.